Who's this? Who's the putz? Who's the pussy?
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Legendary.
Yes, aimbot, bro? That's fucking aimbot. Nobody come to this Trump Tower building. This is mine.
Okay.
You're at it. Get away.
What do you mean?
Oh come on,
Wait.
man! I have to get a new house. God damn it, Raptor, you suck ass. Piss me right off.
Oh my god, the fucking raptor. See, he's not trash, he's good.
Yeah, I know he's good. Fuck you, Raptor. Bro, this guy's just trash. This guy's a piece of shit. Yeah, I know he's good. How do you tell me? The pussy is kinda holding. No, this guy took my scar, you fucking douchebag. Fuck you, Raptor. You suck dick. He also stole my match. No, that's not cool, bro. That's not cool. Nobody steals another man's match. He's full trying to kill me. Bitch, what? Bitch, what? Man, he's pussy.
Oh, hello? You're the raptor? You're fucking good, man.
How come you sound like a YouTuber?
Raptor, don't shoot at me. Raptor. Hey, don't shoot me on structures. Fucking asshole. Hold on, Raptor, hold on, Raptor, hold on, Raptor. Raptor, hold on. Okay, look for, hold on. You guys are fucking dicks.
Took my match again, you stupid asshole? Stop stealing my shit.
Bro, you're cussing out like a 20-year-old person, bro.
Man, shut your ass up.
Shut your ugly ass up. Hold on, time out, bro. That little fucking idiot.
Give me my scar back.
Okay.
Where you guys get the scar from?
Stupid asshole. He gave me my scar back. Oh my fucking god, bro.
Raptor, stop. You guys are fucking assholes.
They're fucking assholes. You have aimbot, bro? That's fucking aimbot.
I'm gonna report you.
That's fucking aimbot right there. That's got you gotta have aimbot. How the fuck were you hitting me all those times when I was jumping around? I'm at 4 health, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Bruh.
Scott. What the fuck is that, bro? What the fuck, man? Oh my fucking god. Don't do that. I don't know what I was doing. Trash. What? What the fuck? How? You definitely have to have aimbot. Okay, now that snipe seemed like they was close to me. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Hello.
What? Bruh. Who the fuck just killed me? Bro, it's you. Fuck you. Can you see me? How the hell can you see me? Can you see me where I'm gonna land? Okay, that's good.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Chill.
What? How? You were nowhere upstairs. Wait a second, you can shoot this thing down, can't you? Bitch, no. Oh my fucking god. I bet you I could snipe you from 117 miles away. Actually, once I did from across the map. And that's a world record on YouTube. How the fuck can you see me, bitch? Let me grab some stuff. Oh, fuck you. Oh my fucking god, I'm at 10 health. Oh my fucking god. How the fuck did you do that? You have fucking aimbot. You had fucking aimbot. I know you do. Oh my fucking god, and now I have 10 health again. What the fuck? What the fuck? Bitch, what? Can't hit me. Bad, dude. How the fuck you see me, bitch? Oh shit. Cause you can't find me. Unlike the birds. What's up, fuck? What's up, fuck? Hey, fuck, what's up? No, 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 no. No, fuck. No, fuck. No, fuck. No, 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 fuck, no, fuck, no, fuck, no, 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 no. If I was ever, no, 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 no. Fuck this shit up. No, fuck, no, no, fuck, don't do me. No, 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 no.